Hello friends, I'm Saurabh from SimplyTech. In this video we will see how to add a video background to a text. So I've already added a video which I want to use in the background. I will simply double click on it or drag and drop on this video. I can also click on the plus button and the video will be available to me. So this is the video which I wanted to add in the background. So I will go to text. In the text or titles, I will go to titles. Simply I will go to titles and I will drag to see which text I want to use as a foreground. So this tile number 31 or 34 seems fine to me. I will double click on that and drag and drop it to the front of the portion. Now I will double click on the tile and go to advanced. Here I don't want to use the upper text, so I will remove it. On the lower text I want to use a word text over here. Whatever may be the word you can use. If you have a travel video, you can use travel, or whatever be the name of your channel, you can use it over here. I want a bigger text, so I can make it 150, but 150 seems to be lesser, so I will be making it 300. There is also an option to change font. Some fonts have bigger letters. In this case, I think the impact font will be better one. So I will simply go there and type impact. See, the letters are bigger one. You can place it at the center. It will look better. You can resize depending on your choice. So now it seems that this is at center. In the animation portion, you can use any animation. In this case, I will be using no animation. You can use animation over here. There's other option to remove animation or add animation afterwards. So here the animation is left. So I will go to animation and click on no animation. So that will remove animation. That should remove animation out of this video. So animation is left out. So I think I will just go and make it no animation, and that should be fine. Now I just removed the video which I wanted to use as background and saved this style as a video. So I'm naming it as text. In the settings, the frame rate of 30 frames per second is good and the quality should be best, and I will click on OK and I will export the video. So finally we have converted the text portion into a video, and that is approximately of 5 seconds. So this is the video which we have created. Now in the media tab, I will import the same video which I created, that was named text. I will click on OK. See, I just wanted to create layers of videos, so I will place the text video over the previous video and then I will double click on the text video. Clicking it will open this tab, and upon we will go to composition, and in the blending mode I will select multiply and click on OK. So we are done. So finally this will make our video written inside the text. So let's play it in a bigger background and see if things are working or not. So it's working fine. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel.